A very good morning, children. Today's chapter muscular system, section A. So, students, first today's topic is muscles, types of muscles, and types of muscles contraction. So, firstly, we know about muscles. So, students, the movement of human body is possible only by the contractibility of muscles. The human body consists of more than 650 muscles, which are attached to the skeleton. The muscles provide pulling power for us to move around. The muscles which are placed beneath the skin are flat. The upper and lower limbs have long muscles. The muscles of trunk are broad and flat. So students, we know about types of muscles. So students, here are three types of muscles: voluntary muscles, involuntary or smooth muscles, and cardiac muscles. So students, firstly we know about voluntary or skeletal muscles. So students, voluntary or skeletal muscles, these muscles are also called stripped muscles. These muscles have the greatest diversity in shape, size, power, and speed of contraction, and the means they are attached to the bones or other tissues. These muscles are controlled by our will and nervous system. So students, controls the contraction of the muscles. Then after students, involuntary or smooth muscles. So students, most of our internal organs are made up of smooth muscles. These muscles are found in urinary bladder, gallbladder, arteries and veins, and digestive tract is the made up of smooth muscles. So students, these muscles are not controlled by our will. These muscles are controlled by the nervous system and hormones. Then after students, we learn about cardiac muscles. So students, cardiac muscles are found in our heart. Cardiac muscles is involuntary and has little or no capacity for regeneration. The color of the fibers is generally red. This muscle cannot function according to our will and is completely independent. So students, we learn about three types of muscles. Then after students, types of muscles contraction. So here are isotonic contraction, concentric contraction, eccentric contraction, and isometric contraction. So four types of muscles contraction. So firstly we learn about isotonic contraction. So students, the word isotonic is derived from two Greek words. Iso means same, and tonics meaning tension. So isotonic contraction is R, in which the muscles maintains the same tension or it shortness or contracts. Example, running, jumping, walking. There are two types of isotonic contraction. So two types of concentric or eccentric contraction. So students, in concentric contraction, the muscle shortness or contracts when its tension is greater than the force opposing it. And the eccentric contraction, in an eccentric contraction, the force is greater than the muscle's tension, causing the muscles to elongate. So then after, isometric contraction. So students, isometric contraction, isometric means same length. During isometric contraction, the muscles does not shorten or change its length, and the tension never exceeds the opposing force. So we understand the isometric contraction. Then after student, difference between isotonic and isometric contraction. So students, some differences are there. So firstly, isometric contraction, the muscles maintains the same tension, its shortness, and the isometric contraction, the muscles remains the same length as the tension changes. The second point is isometric contraction have shortness, contraction and relaxation duration, and the isometric contraction have longer contraction and release relaxation duration. Then after students, the third point, isometric contraction release great deal of heat during muscle contraction, and isometric contraction release less heat during contraction. So students, today we learn about muscles, types of muscles, voluntary or skeletal muscles, involuntary or smooth muscles, cardiac muscles, and type of muscle contraction. So here are two types of muscles contraction, isotonic and isometric. And the isotonic have two types of contraction, concentric contraction, eccentric contraction, and difference between isotonic and isometric contraction. So students, I hope you understand properly. Thank you. Have a marvelous day.